Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into United Airlines, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the United Airlines website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign in button. The sign in button is typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. A new window or section should appear prompting you for your login information. Enter your Mileage Plus number or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Ensure that you type in your password correctly, as it is case sensitive. After filling in your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your United Airlines account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once logged in, you can access your bookings and account information. If you encounter any issues during the login process, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can also double-check that your login credentials are entered correctly. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This may resolve any technical glitches during the login process. Remember to log out of your account after your session, especially on public computers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.